welcome back to my video at Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be looking at this phone I picked up on eBay. This one is a Samsung M500. I do have another one, actually I have two of them, and they're both red. This is a silver one, and so I wanted to go and get a silver one. Let's take a look at it and see what we got. Try not to show my address. There you go. Put that box over here. And this is supposed to work. Let's see, maybe it'd be easier. Whoops. I knocked the camera there for a second, but we're good. There we go. There we go. That took a while. But here is the phone. It's actually in really good shape. The battery's bulged, to which I figured it would be. I think they said that in the description. M500. Looks to be in decent shape. Actually looks to be in better shape than the other one I have, the red one. It is dead, but like I said, I don't have a silver one, so we're going to add this one to the collection. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.